Morning guys, welcome back to Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Boy, decked out this morning. We're gonna do things a little bit different today. We're gonna help out one of our good friends. She'll keep a river party today. So very fair enough. So me and dog come together. They already have their chef. But me and dog come together. And so we're gonna jump in and give them a strength on the thing because they know a unity we say. Caribbean Vibes Cooking. One team, one family, one dream. So we are waiting for them now, because this they're gonna pick up dogs, so just wait for them to come get we and show out. We are try to do it pretty early because you know music are gonna play. So we are trying to shoot our vlog, see them we. Yeah man, we reach on the scene and packing the bag Rasta team out today. Rocking Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog shirt. Yeah, man, big up to my nephew as always. Thanks for making it Caribbean Vibes Cooking, guys.
Let's peeps it out. Great Sunday morning. What do you call it day? Today what? Independence. They said independence to all. I don't know anything said. Look up on yourself.
Yeah man, happy independence guys. Whether you are at home and abroad. Yeah man, Jamaica to the flipping world. Yeah. Yeah my people, I'm feeling so excited right now because remember I've been telling you guys about I'm in the process of shopping for a drone for the channel, and this is actually the first time we're using a drone. My never doing a great job behind the scene. I'm so proud of him. So we're gonna send up the drone and give you guys some footage of the located area where we are shooting now and the river and stuff. It's nothing but great. We are excited about the drone. The drone is doing good. So you know, this year we plan to give you guys a lot of great footage, a lot of great videos. You know, just keep on putting out the good work when you come on the Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. And thank you guys for supporting Caribbean Vibes. We really appreciate the support. So the pork season up already and marinate. Local season, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento seed, browning soya sauce. Yes, so I'm chopping up some garlic. Gonna shred a little bit of ginger. Gonna burn it a little bit just to enhance the flavor of the cooking oil for the stew pork.
From 5 o'clock, I open people, believe me, I make it possible for people to come in to enjoy themselves, you know. I tell them, man, a good look, man, it's nice. Yeah, my friend.
Man, like keep the place clean. Another chef there, dog.
Yeah, we have iron here,
yeah. They are drink early morning jelly. Yeah, man, respect my bro, respect my bro.
Yes, please. Remember to vote for Bridget Williams and Rising Star. 444-5501. 444-5501. Vote for Bridget. Yeah, can't star come out west. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man, Rastaman daughter, eh? A lot of talent in our Westmoreland people. Yeah, I'm going to saute some garlic, fat bonnet pepper, piece of scallion. And we are adding the pork.
Pork with beers.
That's
People,
my favorite.
you call me name. Nothing good like a good coconut jelly in the morning. Yeah, man. Pork with beers.
Yes, so I'm gonna season the fish. So we're using some fish season, some all-purpose season, a little black pepper. Rasta come talk to the people them now, man. What I'm here today.
We there, man, I get the things started, you know.
People ain't see you for when, brother.
Yes, man, we there, peeps. Live in living colors. I can't see no we pork or go and simmer. As time I go and line up the season for the fish. So now keep my fire over there, so I go and fry fish and leave the come. Yeah, man, big up irons, man. Big man, you don't know, turtle.
Yeah, so we are playing our part today. Three of us take on 3 different missions, you know? Season up the fish. Just sprinkle a little of the season on the belly and the core.
You put island side out. Okay. Conch, the seafood start out, but therefore, the seafood is kind of softer than the conch. So we put in the conch first and cook the conch a little first, and then after we get in the seafood. So we're going to add in 3 stalks of scallion, half a pepper and half a onion. You know we're going to burn some curry in the air. And it's a curry conch with seafood. So we're going to add in the conch. The curry conch for this. It's all about Caribbean. Caribbean vibes cooking black. We're at a party today. We're at a river party today. We came out fully active. And the boss lady and China on the way forward. Yeah, man. So we'll come up this and I want to let the steam. Yeah, people, you'll get the fish them started. I put 2 stalks of scallion and pepper and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to start frying fish now. Yeah, man, so we're getting the fish now. There's a monster fish. Yeah, man. Yellow tail snapper. There's a fish in here.
Yeah, I'm going to add in a piece of thyme, Irish potato, carrot, scallion. As Dog was explaining, the conch is really harder to cook than the octopus because they actually cook them and mix them together. So we have to take out because the conch wasn't tender enough. So we did curry them together when the octopus would have melt out all entirely. So as soon as the conch cook now we're tender enough to eat, then we're going to actually add in the octopus.
I get all the first that fish out of the pot and add in some more. Yeah. Now we go party then say, yeah man, we get the ball kick off man. And then the team out today. So yes peeps, you get your rice and peas salt out. You add in the coconut milk. You have greater coconut milk and juice. You know, get the thing moving, so you have to do the coconut early on. Add in about 3 stalks of scallion, some thyme and green pepper and an onion. Now we don't have measuring cup, so we just go add in some salt. Add in the quite Maggi, you know? Add a little oil like, you know? Yeah.
Add in the octopus. See, yeah. Just stir. Yeah, so I'll go on fire. So I add a little piece of butter. People, sell out. Just add a little bit of butter. And it's optional, just to enhance the flavor. So I'm going to add in some ground provision in the pork. Irish potato, carrot, onion. 3 Irish potato, 3 carrot. We'll allow them to cook.
Pork is here.
Yeah, and the pork is tender enough where it can be eaten. Look at that.
Well, I get love it pork, you know, people. Love it.
Full a lot of flavor. I'm currently adding in the rice. Burn hot. Just soak up it, draining off the excess water. So this is 12 pounds of rice. So because we don't have enough pot, you're gonna cook another 12 pounds.
Yeah, I bet you have a movie.
Pot finished, first pot done. So I'm gonna add some ketchup along with a little orange juice. You know, the flavor of the pork. So I combine both the orange juice and the ketchup together. So this is gonna also give flavor and give the sauce a lot of body. So I'm actually thickening the sauce. It's actually finished cooked, so I'm just gonna give it another minute or 2.
You are the Jamula.
Too late for that.
Close here.
Black Dan. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get out the plastic bag for the rice. Yeah. Have to steam the rice. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you know, first food I come out of the pot, you know.
Big man there, man, Mr. Chin.
Yes, man.
The team out, fully active.
Watch out.
Food nice.
Caribbean vibes.
Yes.
Out.
Yeah, we're out, you know, to the flipping world. Caribbean vibes to the world.
Please remember to vote for Bridget Williams. 444-5501. 444-5501.
Oh,
Boom.
Yeah, man. Caribbean vibes to the flipping world.
oh, nice.
Yeah, adding a little all-purpose seasoning of the flour. Gonna add 2 stalks of scallion, pimento seed, garlic in the eye. Stay there hot, you know. So that's gonna help you enhance the flavour of the chicken. We're also gonna add a piece of thyme in it, and all of these herbs and spice are optional. But I like to use them because it gives a significant flavour. Yeah, check for the chicken, you know. So come here now. So I'm try to wrap up the video. Eat a mad me people. And I try to wrap up the video and carry down to as best as possible, you know. I want to thank you for supporting Caribbean Vibes Cooking. You know, we really appreciate the love always. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Keep on supporting the movement. So we have fresh some cow skin at the same time. You know, it's called a cow skin and conch soup, red peas. Yeah.
Caribbean guys, we're fully active. Out.
Fully active. Caribbean vibes.
Time bro, you soon get your shirt.
Yeah, it's soon out. Yeah. Beer, soon get a shirt too.
Yeah, man, I get the vegetable start out. I know, lunch ready already. That's the vegetable.
We have a few little things more to add in the vlog, like making the sauce for the chicken. So I'm going to use some of the crust from the frying of the chicken to add flavour and thickening the sauce along with the pineapple skin.
Yeah, man, and some fish sauce, sweet fish.
Yeah, fish sauce. Yeah. When we cook there already, have his own taste. And the pork.
Yeah. So, chicken them are fried. After I take them in. Then soak properly. Also, you don't want them to too dry, you know. Turn this piece, as you can see, it's actually fried, but you just want to soak a little bit.
Best rice and peas, man. Best fried chicken. Conch gravy. Hot. You need to check it out, you know?
Just a little pot. Watch how you man top the camera and here man there all about man. All over there, you know, man.
Don't start with them, man, baby.
Oh God, best jelly coconut there man. You see it, the best riverside there, you know, man. I don't know, Candy River.
No, look at jokes, man.
Don't know, no joke.
From now, you know?
Mad
Yeah,
party
look
for
at this, man.
next half
Two
an hour.
artists, them there, we're not touching market, the girls,
Yeah.
them, yeah, man. Caribbean. Any of them.
Rush Bull, you know, man. You don't know, you know, alongside
Zalis.
girl, them tallest, you don't know. Man, alongside King, man, the girl, them.
Just subscribe, like,
King
and
Dan.
share, man. Yeah. That's a love, man. Top up to that, top up to that.
scallion, onion, thyme, bell pepper, just a little piece, pimento seed, garlic, and a little pineapple juice. Use a little ketchup. So I'm gonna allow this to boil up. Also I'm gonna add a little all-purpose seasoning in it, a little honey, a little soya sauce, just to change the color a little bit.
Yes, peeps, it's a good look. You kind of look overcast. You get look rain, but we are going to do what we are do. We always come prepare, canvas up. They are going to do what we are do. The team, the whole team out. I get the vegetable salt out. You know, fully active. Candy there, man who take you right place. Yeah man, we have to give him a thumbs up. Yeah man.
Yeah, add a bit of stick butter, some brown sugar, a little all-purpose, adding flavor to the sauce. Gonna allow this to boil up and then come to perfection. Alright, so everything completed. Pork, chicken, conch. So we build one big pot of sauce, split it in two. I'm going to use it for the brown stew fish and for use for the fried chicken, vegetable. So with dog in the back, I finish up with the cow skin and conch soup. And the rice, that's all. Yeah, so because if them actually start or set up their music, so I want to finish up everything. And you know what for the people, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in our next video.
Yep. Yes, peeps, as you can see, we're up now. Everything ready. So we'll see you in the next video with the stingray and the corn dumpling. Yeah man, see you in the next video. Boom.
Yeah, we want to say big up to the selector, DJ Denny Hype. Man come through and doing thing, making this river drift party amazing. Like the man of the females, them will go all out. You know, really appreciate. It was a great vlog, really appreciate the support, the turnout was good when you come on to the river drift party. Females, them will go really hard. You know, so we actually have a voice over this part of a content based off of YouTube and then copyright, you know, but nevertheless it was good. We really have a great time, and thanks to the promoter who booked us to come and showcase our skill and our talent. You know, big up to Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. You know, we're out there, we're putting in the work. Thanks guys for supporting Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So we're just giving you an overhead views of everything, the parking lot, the cars, and just the view overall is amazing. See you in our next video.